Yes, we are discussing about the laws of motion, Nana. Laws of motion chapter we are discussing, Nana. Right? Under this chapter, we have discussed about first of all Newton's laws, Nana. Newton's laws. First law, second law, third law. And after that, law of inertia also completed, Nana. And after that, just we have completed about the linear momentum, Nana. Linear momentum. And after that linear momentum, we have discussed about the impulse, Nana. Impulse or impulsive force. Impulsive force, Nana. After that, force and its classifications, Nana. Force and its classifications, Nana. Yeah, I think everything is clear, Nana, from my side. Right? Force and its classifications, Nana. Now, after that, just we have discussed about the motion of a body on a horizontal smooth surface, Nana. Horizontal smooth surface. Under this, there are subtopics, Nana. Introduction of or concept of normal reaction, concept of normal reaction, and concept of tension, force, concept of free body diagram, and concept of connected bodies, and fifth one is concept of contact bodies, concept of contact bodies, right? There are how many number of right, Nana? How many number of concepts we have covered, Nana, up to now? Newton's laws, law of inertia, linear momentum, impulsive force or impulse, force and its classifications, motion of a body on a horizontal surface, smooth surface. Under that, concept of normal reaction, concept of tension force, and concept of free body diagram, concept of connected bodies, concept of contact bodies. Just we have completed, Nana. We have discussed about these things. But on this, up to here, we did some problems, Nana. And in this also, I have given some little bit examples also I have given, Nana. So based on that force, just I am discussing about the MCQs, Nana, problems based on that concept. Simply here, one object is there, Nana. One problem I am explaining. Today, my topic is simply MCQs based on this completed topics, Nana. So MCQs I am explaining, Nana. So this is a mass of the object. Let it be 2 kg. Mass of a body is 2 kg, and it some force is acting in this direction, some force is acting in this direction, Nana. This is F1 bar, this is F2 bar, Nana. F1 bar is equals to, let it be 5 newtons, and F2 bar is equals to 10 newtons. One mass is there, Nana. On that mass, one is pulling in this direction with 5 newtons, Nana. one is pulling in this direction with 10 newtons, nana. The angle between the two forces is equals to 120 degrees, nana. They have given this diagram in the question, right? Two forces are acting. One force is 5 newtons, one force is 10 newtons, and the mass of the body is also given. Then what is the acceleration? Yesterday we discussed, nana. One body is there, one is pushing in this direction, another one is pushing in this direction. Then what happens, nana? Resultant of these two only. If the resultant of those two is not equal to 0, then only it is getting motion, nana. Otherwise it won't get any motion. So here, first of all, I want to calculate resultant force, nana. Here F small f we have taken yesterday. So capital F greater than small f, then only this body gets motion, nana. Otherwise it won't get any motion, nana. So similar cases, here we have to apply, nana. So then what we have to do, nana? Here, yes, F1 bar is acting in this direction, F2 bar is acting in this direction. Then we know very well about the R is equals to under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, nana. What is this law, nana? What is this law, nana? Where we have derived this one? Where we have, yes, parallelogram law. Very good, nana. Very good, parallelogram law. So here P is F1, Q is F2, and theta is 120 degrees. Just I am substituting now. Resultant force F is equals to under root of P square is how much, nana? 5 square. Q square is how much, nana? 10 square. And plus 2 into 5 into 10 into cos 120 degrees, nana. So under root of 25 plus 100 plus 2 into 5. 5 into 10, 500, sorry, 50 into 20, 100, nana. Into cos 120, cos 120 degrees, nana. Then sin of 90 plus 30 degrees, nana. Sin of 90 plus 30 degrees. Sin of 90, sin 90 cos. And it is minus or plus? Second quadrant, A, S, T, C, nana. First quadrant, second. In the second quadrant, what is that, nana? Cos. Cos becomes
Negative.
negative. Minus cos 30 degrees, nana. Minus cos 30, root 3 by 2, nana. Cos 30 is how much, nana? Root 3 by 2. Just here minus root 3 by 2. Cos 120 is nothing but
Why root 3 by 2?
Tell me, nana. Tell me. Wait. Here cos of 90 plus 30. This is sin, nana. Sin 30. This is 1 by 2. Minus 1
Oh
by
my
2.
God.
Nana. Minus. Tell me. Tell me, nana. No, you can ask, nana. Don't worry. You can ask, nana. Don't worry. Is there a doubt?
No, sir.
No. Yes, this is simply
No.
minus 1 by 2, nana. So 2 ones are 2, 5, 0, nana. So minus 50. 100 minus 50, how much, nana? 50. 50 plus 25, 75, nana. You can write this as 3 into 25, nana. So 25, root 25 outside, 5 root 3, nana. So 5 root 3, 5 outside, 3 is inside the. So resultant force 5 root 3 newtons, nana. But they're asking in the question, what is the acceleration of that body, nana? This question, you have this question, nana. In the WhatsApp, it is there, nana. Classwork.
No, sir. No.
So yes, acceleration. You know very well about the force is equals to ma. That is equals
No,
to.
sir. I don't know, sir.
Right. Now 5 root 3. M is what, nana? Mass of the body. Mass of the body is equals to 2. A is equals to 5 root 3, nana. Is it visible? Right. 5 root 3, nana. A is equals to, nana, continuation to this step. I am writing it here, nana, because it is not visible. 2 ma is equals to 5 root 3, nana. But according to this one, m is equals to 2 kg. 2a is equals to 5 root 3. A is equals to 5 root 3 by what, nana? 2. 2 ones are 2, 2.5. So answer A is equals to 2.5 root 3 meter by second square is the answer, nana. Required answer. Simply two forces are acting on a body. The resultant force we have to find. After that, you know very well about the Newton's second law. What is that Newton's second law, Nana? F is equals to ma, Nana. By using this equation only, m is given, f we have calculated. Then automatically from this relation, a is equals to f by m, Nana. We have discussed on the horizontal smooth surface in this case also, right? So that is the way of calculation. Is it clear, Nana? Is it clear,
Yes,
Nana?
sir.
Yes. Shall I go for further discussion? Next question. I will send these notes, Nana. Solutions to the problems I will send. Don't worry. Today only I will send, Nana. All right, now next question. There are two bodies, Nana. 3 kg body is there and a 9 kg body is there, Nana. 2 kg body and a 9 kg body is there, Nana. Two different bodies, two different objects are there. Yes, those two are acted, some same force is acted upon on these two bodies, Nana. Same force. Like this one force F, that much of force only is acting on this, Nana. Same force is acting on the two bodies, Nana. Same force is acting on the two bodies. Then what happens, Nana? Then what is and this 9 kg, this 9 kg is getting some acceleration in this direction A2. This is getting some acceleration A1 in this direction. Let it be just A1, A2. I don't know. But A2 is given, Nana. 3 meter by second square acceleration it gets, Nana. Right? By applying the same force on, some force is applying on this 3 kg body and 9 kg body. Then same force, Nana. That word is very important. Same force. That's why I have taken F. And but they are getting different, they are different masses, and but they are getting, this is getting some acceleration, this is getting some acceleration, that is given, Nana. 9 kg mass is getting some acceleration, that is given, but 3 kg mass is getting some acceleration, that is how much. A1 is equals to how much, Nana? For this purpose, you know very well about the Newton for second law. F is equals to ma. This F is constant, Nana, for both two. It is constant. When it is constant, then automatically you can write ma is equals to constant, Nana. Ma is equals to constant, Nana. So ma, then you can write this as a is equals to constant by m, Nana. So constant, by removing this constant, you can write this as a directly proportional to 1 by m, or inversely proportional to m. Directly proportional to 1 by m or inversely proportional to m, Nana. So here A1 by A2 is equals to, you can write this as M2 by M1, Nana. Reverse, A1 by A2 is equals to M2 by M1, Nana. From here A2 is equals to A1. I am sending this to this side, this to this side. A1 into M1 by M2, Nana. A1 is how much, Nana? A1 is how much? Just I want A1. Sorry, I want to calculate A1, Nana. Just I want to calculate A1. A1 is equals to M2 by M1. Just I am sending this A to this side because A2 is given and A1 is asking, Nana. So M2 is how much, Nana? 9 kg. M1 is how much, Nana? 3 kg. Into A2 is how much, Nana? 3 meter by second square. 3 cancel. Answer is 9 meter by second square, Nana. Answer is 9 meter by second square. Is it there, Nana? Answer option. Options are there. Second question. What I have sent you yesterday. Answer, check it once, Nana. Question is two particles with inertial masses 3 kg and 9 kg are acted upon by the same force if the acceleration of the 9 kg particle is 3 meter by second square and the acceleration of 3 kg particle is how much? Acceleration of the 3 kg particle is how much they are asking, Nana. So for that purpose, I got 9 meter by second square, Nana. Yes, I got
Yes, sir.
answer is tell me, Nana.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2B.
It is there. Is it there, Nana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is
Very,
there.
very good, very good, very good. Option 2 is the answer, Nana. This is the way of calculation. Simply, what is there? What is given? Some keywords are there, Nana. Same force. Same force. This is a very, very, very important keyword, Nana, in this question. If the force is not same, this is not constant. This is not constant. How can you do the problem, Nana? How can you do the problem? So, like that, same force acting on the same two bodies, different bodies. Masses are given. One acceleration is given. Second body, first body acceleration is how much? That is asking. So, like that, you have to do, Nana. Like that only you have to do, Nana. Right? Next, next question, third question. Third question, Nana. A train reduces its speed uniformly from a train reduces yes, train is moving on the track, Nana. Simply, generally, it moves on the track only, not on the road, right? So, a train reduces its speed uniformly from 75 kilometer per hour to 15 kilometer per hour, Nana. Question is there. 75 kilometer per hour to 15 kilometer per hour. It is moving generally. Yes, I was observed that one. Simply at any point, it has 75 kilometer per hour speed, and after some time, just at that time only it is reducing its speed. It reduces its speed 15 kilometer per hour, Nana. 15 kilometer per hour. In how much time, Nana? In 40 seconds. In 40 seconds. Nothing but a 11:45. At exactly 11:45, it was moving with. It is moving with 75 kilometer per hour. After 40 seconds, 11:45, 40 seconds, it has 15 kilometer per hour, Nana. It is moving with it will move with 15 kilometer per hour, Nana. Then in 40 seconds, time duration is given, initial velocity is given, initial speed is given, final speed is also given. Then in a straight line, to come to rest, traveling at the same rate, it will take a further time off. It is going, Nana. Yes, within 40 seconds, its speed was reduced to 75 to 15 kilometer per hour. Then after, at what time? After this same rate, it is moving with same rate. After this, at what time it is going to be rest? Nothing but it reaches to 0 kmph, Nana. Rest nothing but after how much time it reaches to the 0 kmph, nothing but it is going to be rest. That is the question, Nana. For that purpose, simply same rate, Nana. Same rate, nothing but yes, first of all, in 40 seconds, 75 minus 15 is how much, Nana? 50. 60 kilometer per hour, Nana. By 40 seconds. It is in seconds, it is in kilometer per hour, Nana. First of all, you have to convert this into seconds, or you have to convert this into hours, whatever it is maybe. I am converting this into meters by second, Nana. 60 into kilo, 1000 meters per second. See here. Alright, Nana. Oh, no problem. In kilometers also, you don't worry, Nana. So you will get the distance. Kilometer per hour, but 40 by 60, Nana, hours. It is easy. hour cancel. Then what happens, Nana? 0, 0 cancel. And 2 2s are 2 3s, Nana. 60 by 2 by 3, Nana. You can write this as 60 by 1 by 2 by 3, Nana. You can write this as 60 by 1 into 3 by 2, Nana. So 180 kilometers it was traveled, Nana, in this time, in this 40 seconds. If they asked like this, suppose this is how much distance it was traveled, then you can write 180 kilometers it was traveled. But 15 to 0. So in 40 seconds, sorry, yes, in 40 seconds it was traveled 180 kilometers, Nana. But he is asking what, Nana? Not distance. In what time? How much time it reaches to rest position? They are asking. This is the initial velocity. This is the final velocity, Nana. So v minus u is equals to v minus u by t is equals to a, Nana. General formula. At where we have discussed at a one-dimensional motion. In one-dimensional motion, we have discussed about this.
Sir.
V minus.
Sir.
Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
90 kilometers.
Which
90
one?
kilometers. 90
Wait. Right. 30 is there, and this is 90 kilometers. It was. Don't worry, Nana. It is not required. Just for our future concepts, just only I have explained. Right? Like this, you can calculate if the distance you was asked. Then you can write like this, and you can calculate, Nana. In this time duration, how much distance it was traveled. That is not our concentration. My concentration is to calculate the acceleration, because they are asking time. So v minus u by t into v minus u by t is equals to a, acceleration. Here time t is, I don't know, Nana. They are asking that much only. So v is how much, Nana? 0 minus u is how much, Nana? 15 by t is equals to a. But a I don't know. Yes, here a is there, Nana. V minus u by t is equals to a, Nana. T is there, v is there. 15 minus 75 by 40 is equals to a, Nana. Yeah, see here what is there, Nana? Same rate. Again keyword, Nana. Same rate. Same rate is nothing but a is equals to constant. So I am calculating a from here, and I am substituting that a at here. You will get the answer. That is how much, Nana? 15 minus 75 minus 60 by 40. But this is in seconds. That's why you have to write 40 by 60, Nana. Here also 40 by 60 minus 60 by 40 by 60 now. Just I am keeping like that. A is equal to how much, Nana? I got minus 60 by 40 by 60. Just I got this value now. Now I am substituting that value at here. Minus 15 by t is equals to a is how much, Nana? Minus 60 by 40 by 60, Nana. Now I am going to discuss, calculate, Nana. Minus cancel. And 0 0 cancel. 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 going to the numerator. So 15 by t is equals to 60 by 1 into 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 30s, 3 1s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 6s are. So finally I got 1 by t is equals to, what is there, Nana? Only 6 is there. 1 by t is equals to only 6 is there. 6 is in seconds. Yes, I am writing this as 1 by t is equals to. So t is equals to 1 by 6 hours, Nana. 1 by 6 hours, because I was converted this 40 seconds into 40 by 60 hours, Nana. 40 by 60 hours. For that purpose only I did, Nana. 40 by 60. It was converted to hours, Nana. So that's why it is, answer is in hours. 1 by 6 hours, Nana. 1 by 6 hours. So I got this 1 by 6 hours, Nana. So I got this 1 by 6 hours. So 1 by 6 hours, nothing but just I am writing it here because it is not visible. So t is equals to 1 by 6 hours. But the options are in what, Nana? Options are in seconds, Nana. Options are in seconds. Then how can we calculate na? 1 by 6 into options. Tell me in seconds. That's why into 16. In 1 hour, how many seconds? 60 seconds are there. 6 ones are 16. So t is equals to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it is going to be rest. So again, keyword is there. Same rate. Same rate is a very, very important keyword. Same rate. Same rate is a very, very, very important keyword. So please identify those keywords in your right, Nana? Keyword. What is that keyword, Nana? Same rate. Yes, option. 10 seconds is not there.
There, sir. Option
Nana?
Option D.
Which option?
D.
Very good, very good. Again, I am explaining. One train is moving along a straight line, and it reduces from 75 km per hour to 15 km per hour in 40 seconds. So one relation is given. In 75 km per hour, in 40 seconds, it was its speed was reduced from 75 km per hour to 15 km per hour. Then from 15 km per hour to it's 0 km per hour. When in how much time it reaches to rest position, or it reaches to 0 km per hour? But it is given in seconds. But that's why, yes, you know very well about that. V minus U by T is a relation. In one-dimensional motion, we have discussed about this one very well. Right, Nana? So in one-dimensional motion only we have discussed, Nana. So for that purpose, I have used this one. And from here, same rate, it is a very, very important keyword. Same rate, nothing but acceleration is same in this section or in this section. Both two sections is same. I was calculated also acceleration from the given section, and I was substituted here. And I got 10 seconds, Nana. Yes, is there any problem? Another problem is also there. Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am going to discuss another problem. Next problem, Nana. The horizontal and vertical component of force are horizontal component, Nana. Nothing but a F cos theta. Vertical component, Nana. F sin theta. You know very well about this thing, Nana. Horizontal component of force, vertical component of force. They have given, Nana, forces are 30 newtons and 40 newtons, Nana. They are given in the question. In the data, from the given data only I have selected. I am writing, Nana. F cos theta. Horizontal component of the force F cos theta equals 30 newtons. Vertical component of force F sin theta equals to 40 newtons. And if the force acts on a body of mass 5 kg, 5 kg body is there. Force act on this body F. Right now. So then what happens, Nana? Body of mass 5 kg acceleration produced is definitely it gets some acceleration, Nana. Whatever it is, maybe in which direction I don't know, but it is getting some acceleration. A, that is how much they are asking, Nana. F cos theta is given, F sin theta is given. They are asking what, Nana? A is how much? Mass is also given, and you know very well about that. F equal to ma, again formula. But A is equals to F by M, Nana. So M is there, but F is not there. But from here you can calculate the F, Nana. So for this purpose, you know very well about, Nana. I am not using any physics, Nana, only mathematics. By using the mathematics, you can say, Nana. Yes, simply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. You will get what, Nana? F square cos square theta is equals to 900 newtons. F square sin square theta is equals to 1600 newtons. Nana, I got these things. Just I'm adding these two, Nana, on left side and both side, two equations. Then you will get a f square cos square theta plus f square sin square theta is equals to 900 plus 1600, Nana. Then f square I am taking common, Nana. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 2500, Nana. F square cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, Nana. That is equals to 2500. Just I am using only mathematics. I am not saying any physics, Nana. By using mathematics only, you are getting the problem answer to the problem. Right? Now f square is equals to simply 2500. F is equals to under root of 2500, Nana. Under root of 2500 nothing but a 50 newtons. Yes, I got the force, applied force. Now I'm substituting the value 50 by m is how much, Nana? Tell me. 5 kg. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So 10 meter by second square is the acceleration produced by the force F. That is the way of calculation. Which option it is?
Option D.
Option D. Very good, Nana. Option D is the correct answer. Right? This is the way of calculation, Nana. Sir, you are saying physics and suddenly you are going to the mathematics. Yes, I discussed the mathematical physics first. Some formulas. Trigonometry is there, Nana. By using the trigonometry, by using the vectors. Only by using vectors and trigonometry, just I did this problem, Nana. Yeah, those are the mathematics. Those the topics comes under mathematics, but here we are using those concepts only. Resolution, horizontal component, vertical component, vector. These are the vectors. Vector algebra. And after that, cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is trigonometry. So these two concepts we have discussed very well about in the mathematical physics topic, Nana. So this is the way of calculation. This is the classwork I have completed, and some homework problems also there. Please go through the problems and you will get the clarity about the subject now. Right? Just I am not giving the spoon feeding, Nana. Just only I am just conducting the discussion. I am not giving the speech, Nana. Just conduct debate. So in the debate, if you involve, then you will get some confidence. Otherwise, you won't get anything. It is not a speech, Nana. It is a debate, right? Everyone you can interact, Nana. If you involve in the discussion, definitely you will get the clarity about the subject, and you will get the confidence that you can do the problems in the examination, and you will get the some good ranks in the entrance examinations, and so you will get the good opportunity in future, right, Nana? You will set your career good career, Nana. Set your good career, Nana. So for that purpose only, I'm giving the subject, Nana, not problem to answer. Simply question and answers, not question and answers, Nana. Simply I'm giving the subject. You can go through, you can attempt, you will get clarity about the subject definitely. Suppose if you attend the classes regularly, then only you will get the clarity, Nana. Suppose if you are attended to today and tomorrow, absent and day after tomorrow, I attended Mali, just like that. So this is not a correct way to learn the physics, Nana, because it is a chain classes, Nana. So see there, that is in one-dimensional motion. These things are in mathematical physics, and what I am discussing under this laws of motion. Yeah. How can you? So please tomorrow also. Yes, tomorrow exam is there. I already sent you some syllabus. I posted some syllabus, Nana. So please see that, and I will also send these solutions also. I will write on the paper, and please I will send you, Nana. I will send you definitely. You don't worry about the solutions. All the problems, only class problems. The problems which are under the title class work. Homework problems you have to do, and you will send. You must send, Nana, to me. Right? Thank you, Nana. Thank you very much.